Hi, I'm Pippa from CraftPixie and I wanted to do a little video tutorial on how to make a tassel. I've done this on bags and blankets. In fact, I've done it on each corner of my daughter's blanket here. This rainbow blanket actually is a free pattern in my Ravelry store. So let's go. You need some strong box card, scissors, a darning needle and whatever yarn that you'd like to use for your tassel. And then you need to cut your card around 1 inch longer than the final tassel length that you want. Hold an end of the yarn and keep wrapping. But do count the number of wraps you make if you want to make matching tassels. Once you're happy, take another piece of yarn and thread it underneath, pull it up to the top and then knot it well. Make sure that knot is right in the middle there at the top. Now you're going to cut. Don't worry too much because you've left yourself 1 inch to tidy up the tassel at the end. So just cut carefully, pull out the card, making sure the yarn doesn't come out of the knot at the top. Take another piece of yarn. This is going to form the waist of the tassel. Tie it carefully where you want it. It's all personal choice where that waist is. And then you're going to wrap each end around to form that nice cinched in waist part of your tassel. It's a little bit fiddly, but just keep going round and it does actually make a really nice finish. Just keep pulling it as you go. When you're happy, tie another knot. I then thread each end onto a needle and I push it behind the waist and then right through the middle there, so it becomes part of the tassel part of it. Do the same with the other end. Again, you're going to even this up at the end, so don't worry too much, just make sure it's pushed through the middle there. Now I do like to fiddle about with stuff now, so adjust it so that it's where you want it and then brush it out so you make sure all of the tassel lengths are the same, and then cut carefully across. If you're doing a number of tassels, do this all in one go so they're all the same length. Now I like to finish mine off like this. Now that is super fiddly. You're working with 2 bits of yarn and a very small crochet hook, but it just gives you that anchor, that cord that you can use to attach it. Keep going as long as you want, and then when you're happy, just pull that end through to secure. And there you have your tassel. Just a little note about attaching the tassel. I've sewn this on, but if you want to detach it so that you can wash the blanket separately or your item, then just make a long chain and use that to pass through the tassel top, and then you can just tie it on with a bow, something like that. Anyway, I really hope you found this tutorial useful. It would be really helpful to me if you could like, comment, subscribe, something like that. And I'll see you next time.